Hey guys, I'm Faye.
I'm Dhanya.
And today we're here at the University of Stirling Society Fair. Let's go check them out.
Here we are at the book club stall with our mystery representative Ella. She's going to tell us a bit more about their society.
So we're Book Club, University of Stirling. So we've got 4 different genres this year. So we've got general fiction, we've got fantasy, classics, and then romance. So we spread them across different days. So you're welcome to just come along. We read books, we do discussions, activities. We just kind of hang out and have a bit of fun. So if you fancy joining us, then have a look at our Instagram.
Wonderful! Thanks for that, Ella. That was really interesting. We're now here with the Anime Society. What have you guys got to say about yours?
Well, only that we're the coolest society here. We meet on Tuesdays, usually at 6:30. Before that, we meet in the atrium so everyone can go together. Our meetings are just like watching anime together, having fun, a bit of chaos.
We're now here with the Stirling University Disney Society, and they're going to tell you all that you need to know. So, tell us a bit about your society.
So we are the Stirling University Disney Society. We cover all things Disney. So if it's original Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, you can be a die-hard fan or you can just be a casual watcher. All levels of fans are welcome. We're much cooler than we sound in the Disney Society. So we do all sorts of things. So we do board game nights, we do tapas nights, we go bowling. Basically, it's just a couple of hours a week for you to just kind of sit, chill and play some Disney themed board games.
We're now here to get the truth with the Brig Society. What would you guys like to tell us?
Hi, we're Brig. We have our meetings every Tuesday at 6:30 in W1, and if you have an opinion about anything, any thoughts about anything, come to Brig, write about it, do it on camera, do whatever you want, have a thought, come to Brig.
I'm here now with the Disability Student Association Society of Stirling, and they're going to explain a bit more about what they do.
Hi, I'm Kushi, I'm the president.
Hi, I'm Jill, I'm the secretary.
Hi, I'm Melissa, I'm the treasurer. The society is for the creation of a community with disabled students, carers and students that are willing to learn. We are more focused on creating community and also student advocacy work. So problems with accommodation, with lectures, you could come to us instead of having to fight for yourself, and we would be able to chase your case for you.
So now going around the world here at the University of Stirling, as we're now joining the International Society, what have you guys got to tell us about your society?
So we're basically a society for everyone. Everyone is welcome to join, doesn't matter where you're from, also Scottish people. Don't be scared. We don't have that many Scottish people here. But yeah, just come by whenever you can. Come along, meet new people, learn something new about new cultures.
So we're now here with the D&D Society, who have got plenty to say on their Give It a Goes. What would you guys like to advertise, and who are you?
So we are the Nat 20 Society, or D&D Society as everyone just calls us, and we focus mainly on Dungeons & Dragons tabletop game. We have our Give It a Go this Thursday starting from 6 PM in Cottrell 2X4. And we hope just to get as many people along as possible to try DMing, playing, and even just having some nerdy fun with everyone.
Well guys, that was super interesting. We saw so much, but I'm definitely joining the Anime Society.
I'll join the book club. They have lots of activities.
It's absolutely wonderful. Come on down and make a choice for yourself, fellas.